Your Excellency, the First Lady of the Gambia, Madame FATOUMATTA BAH-BARROW, and the Ambassador of Merck Foundation, More Than a Mother, and my dear sister and my friend. I am very honored to have you today with me here and with us to continue your dedicated follow-up and support you are actually doing on a daily basis with Merck Foundation to ensure the achieve the impact that you are hoping for in transforming the patient care in the Gambia, to improve the access, which is very important, to quality and equitable healthcare solution in the Gambia. This is a great honor to have you today, and this is also another sign of your dedication and commitment to the people of the Gambia and to the benefit of the people of the Gambia. And this also ensures that your great role as a very important ambassador for your country to improve international partnership and the development of the country and the people of the Gambia. So thank you very much for having you here today. I also knew that the Minister of Education, Honorable Claudine Kelej, is available with us. So also my regards to him. I think, I'm not sure if the Minister of Health, Amadou Lamine, is available or not, but also our regards to him, because also in partnership with the Ministry of Health, we've been able to achieve this important programs. And of course, this partnership was endorsed and taken care of by Her Excellency, the First Lady of the Gambia and the Ambassador of Merck Foundation in the Gambia. I actually, before I start, I also want to welcome all the alumni, who we are very proud of them. We have provided 35 scholarships for young doctors in the Gambia, to be able to be the future health expert in the country and health expert in Africa. And by providing this scholarship, we are not providing 1 or 2 days or 3 weeks or 2 weeks. No, it is actually a very important specialty training. We are talking about 1-year diploma and 2-year master degree in a very important and critical specialty, which is underserved and very critical for the Gambia and all Africa. So I will talk about this in a little detail, but before I want to also, like Brian did, he is practicing, I was also practicing good morning. So Naka Sobasi and Isama. So good morning for everyone after my long introduction, but I wanted to start with it, but I forgot it a little bit. I will practice later on them. So let me speak about why I'm very excited about this meeting, this summit. This is the first online summit that is dedicated to the Gambia with Merck Foundation, and it's co-chaired by my dear sister, the First Lady of the Gambia, which is very active, very dedicated. She is a role model of every First Lady in Africa, really, and by myself. So why we are doing this? Because we have a lot of communication between me and the First Lady about the follow-up of the programs on a daily basis, how the trainees are doing, how they are going to help in improving the patient care in the country. How can we also improve their role as a champion of the media and the art and the singers and the fashion designers to be able to be champion of raising awareness and sensitizing the communities in the Gambia, which is very important, because you need also to raise awareness about different topics, social challenges like infertility, stigma. Also, there's education. It's very, very important because they are half of the community. And also other things like stopping gender-based violence, like child marriage, all these things. And of course, also to make sure that we do that in their life day-to-day setting, through songs we are doing, through media coverage, which they are very critical partner in this because media goes every house, and through fashion designers, arts, and so on. So this is also how we be innovative to raise awareness and community awareness in different topics. Also raising awareness about early detection of diseases, prevention of many conditions like diabetes and hypertension. All this can be through media and art, because we believe very much, strongly believe in the important role model, the critical role of media and art. But also we looked at the children, and together we said, let us do stories, children's stories for children, to also try to create a culture shift, to try to change them since they are young, because this is really important. So we have stories about breaking the stigma of fertility, emphasizing the strong values of love and respect between husband and wife, whether they have children or not, because Her Excellency, the ambassador of Merck Foundation, more than a mother, which is aiming to break the stigma of infertility and empowering childless women to through access to information, children access to information, health, and mindset, but also encouraging men to speak up about their infertility problem, to support their wives during the journey of infertility. While we're doing this, we also focus on providing training for infertility. So we have the first fertility specialist and embryologist in the Gambia, and this is a history in the making. And also providing 1 year and 2 years master degree for doctors to be the first reproductive care specialist and sexual care specialist. So we can also improve the women health and the reproductive health in the specific. So how many we have done through in this program? In total, we have 35 scholarships. For this specialty specifically, it was around 11 doctors has been provided by this. So to go across the whole country. It's a really good number, very important number. Also diabetes and endocrinology specialists and cardiovascular preventive specialists, and respiratory and acute medicine. Why respiratory and acute medicine is very important for the Gambia? During coronavirus, you need this specialty to take care of the corona patients. So this is a very, very important step that's been done by the Office of the First Lady and the Ministry of Health and us to improve the patient care of coronavirus, and also the risk groups, because this is very, very important. So all this is being provided through the training and the community awareness, which we have done together. It was through the children's stories and songs and media recognition awards we have launched together to encourage media to cover for different issues, especially coronavirus awareness and the infertility, breaking the infertility stigma and supporting girls' education. So all this was done. You see how many programs in the agenda? It's a huge program. We also have another thing that we are going to provide sets, school item sets for children in schools. We are going to send many sets, like 3,000 sets, to also give them to the underprivileged children that they want to go to school, but they don't have the money to buy these pencils and pens and notebooks and other things. So it will be also very, very important. We also going to agree on 20 girls that they are performing and under very, very high performing and underprivileged, so we can pay them the school fees and the school items that they need. So this is, and we take care of them, the whole thing. So this is in a nutshell what we are doing, but I am now very looking forward to hear from the instigator and the main factor of this program, Her Excellency, the First Lady of the Gambia, Madame FATOUMATTA BAH-BARROW, and the Ambassador of Merck Foundation, More Than a Mother. It would be great to hear from her, and then she also will hear from you and encourage you to continue your very important scholarship, which is also very expensive, but it will have a great impact on you. And each student of you cost 10,000 euro. So this is very, very important that you continue in this and study very well so you can benefit your country after you graduate. Thank you very much.